Just like at the real machine, the initialization panel sets the work offset for the program by calculating the distance between the setup and machine home. And just like at the real machine, if the setup location changes, the offset must be updated. Well, as of NC Simul 2023, this process can be executed automatically. Inside the initialization, navigate to the second tab, Origin Axes System. This is going to create a relationship between the values calculated in the work offset and the location of your setup coordinate system, no matter where it moves. Choose the origin to fill, the setup assembly to relocate, and the axis system within that setup to follow. This can be duplicated for as many offsets as your G-code contains. Now, when the assembly is shuffled on the machine table, the associated toolpath wireframes update and follow automatically. Based on the new location, NC Simul has already scanned the entire G-code for any over-travel issues. Whether you are ensuring that all features are contained in the machine work envelope or testing out different size fixture models, the Origin Axes system will save a step anytime a feature is rearranged.